boys and girls. Today we're going to use cubes to solve word problems. We're trying to make word problems as easy as they can be because sometimes they can be super tricky. So we are going to use cubes. Remember that C represents circling the important numbers in units, U represents underlining the question, B represents boxing the math action words, E eliminate and decide what to do, and S show your work and check. So we have a word problem here, and it says, yesterday I went to Jewel and got all of my ingredients to bake chocolate chip cookies. They are my favorite. I baked 48 cookies yesterday, and today I baked 64 cookies. How many cookies did I bake all together? Okay, so we're going to start with C. We need to circle the important numbers in units. We're going to circle 48 cookies and 64 cookies. Okay. Look and see that I also circled in there the unit, because the unit is so important to have at the end when we have our answer. Then we're going to underline our question. What is our problem asking us to do? Well, this question mark always signifies and tells us that this is the question. And it's asking us, how many cookies did I bake all together? Okay. Now we're going to box the math action words. Those are those words that we talked about where it kind of triggers our brain to know what operation we're doing. So in this problem, it says all together. That's that math action word that tells me that I'm going to be doing this. E, I'm going to eliminate and decide. So I need to, is there anything in this problem that we do not need? Any information that's just kind of extra and thanks for telling us, but now we don't need it. Yesterday I went to Jewel and got all of my ingredients to bake chocolate chips. I kind of set the scene for us, but we don't need that anymore. They are my favorite. That's awesome, but we don't need it for our problem. I baked. Don't really need to know that anymore. Yesterday and today when they baked. So I think this is all we really need. 48 cookies, 64 cookies. How many cookies did I bake all together? So I think I'm going to decide that we need to add, because this math action word, remember, tells us that we are adding. So I'm going to add 48 plus 64. I'm just going to do it the traditional way for this example. I'm going to do my ones place first. 8 plus 4 is 12. Put the 2 down, carry the 1. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 6 is 11. So now I've shown my work, okay? And I don't want to forget my unit. 112 cookies is my answer. In order to check my work and make sure it sounds like it's about right, I could think like, okay, 60 and 50, if I'm rounding those, is about 110. So 112 is pretty close. Or I could do my answer minus this number should equal this. 112 minus 64 should equal 48. And it does. So then we have checked our answer. Circle important numbers and units. Underline the question. Box around math action words. Eliminate and decide. Solve and check. Circle important numbers and units. Underline the question. Box around math action words. Eliminate and decide. Solve and check.